feel of a fish finder rig, but these are great because they're easy, they work effectively, you can change out any hook size you want. Simple, done deal. So use these first if it's your first time, use them with kids and use them with family. So here are a couple specialty rigs that we should walk through as well. We've got the Pompano rig, which is great for, you guessed it, Pompano, right? But really it's a focus of going after the smaller surf species, you know, maybe the size of your hand, up to maybe about, you know, your arm here, and that includes sheep's head and even the, you know, the croaker and the whiting and the sea trout and so on and so forth. Right here, right up next to the surf here, right on the edge. And so this is gonna just bounce right along the bottom, and you're gonna get this bait just right up there in the surf itself, right? And it's just a fantastic setup for targeting even bait fish too. If you're trying to get some bigger cut bait to throw on your fish finder rig, it's just a great setup to get out there and start catching those fish, you know, kind of smaller end of the spectrum. And then we've got the bottom rig. It's also called an Old Dominion rig. And I have one already on here, but I know this one's a little complicated for a lot of folks, but what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of monofilament or fluorocarbon. I'm tying it onto my hook, maybe, you know, 5 or 6 inches, and then I'm just doing like a little loop. I'm just taking a loop and just doubling it over. And that's gonna be your little leader end. You can see we already have this side hooked up on the bottom here. And then on the top, all you're gonna do is you're just